SpaceX continues to make history. They brought 4 astronauts back to Earth. The astronauts spent months on the International Space Station. This is another successful mission for SpaceX. It shows their commitment to space travel. The astronauts returned in the Dragon Freedom spacecraft. The spacecraft splashed down safely off the coast of Florida. The crew experienced the force of gravity again. They were happy to be back on Earth after their mission. SpaceX is becoming a leader in space travel. Their reusable spacecraft are changing the way we explore space. The Dragon Freedom will be prepared for another mission. It will carry more astronauts to the ISS. 4 astronauts were on this mission. 2 were NASA astronauts, Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore. Another was NASA astronaut Nick Hague. Finally, there was Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexander Gorbunov. Each astronaut had a specific role. They worked together on the ISS. Their mission lasted many months. Williams and Wilmore spent 286 days in space. Hague and Gorbunov were in space for 171 days. The astronauts conducted many experiments. They studied how things change in space. Their work will help us understand space better. They also tested new technologies for future space missions. Space travel is not easy. There are many challenges. One challenge was a delay with the original spacecraft. Williams and Wilmore were supposed to return on a different spacecraft. However, there were technical issues. SpaceX came up with a solution. They moved Williams and Wilmore to the Dragon Freedom. They also had backup plans ready. They prepared special seats in another Dragon spacecraft. This was in case of an emergency. Despite the challenges, the mission was a success. The astronauts returned safely. SpaceX showed their ability to adapt and overcome problems. This is important for future space exploration. This mission shows what we can achieve in space. SpaceX is planning more missions. They will send astronauts further into space. They even plan to send humans to Mars. SpaceX is working on new technologies. They are developing the Starship. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft. It will be able to carry many people and supplies to space. The future of space exploration is exciting. With companies like SpaceX leading the way, we will continue to make new discoveries. We will learn more about our universe, and maybe one day, humans will live on other planets.